Hello everyone, my name is Marcela Erazo. I study licenciatura en inglés como lengua extranjera at Grabando University. This activity is for the course of phonetics and phonology. The activity is tutorial video on Unit 1 and 2, Tag 6. And now I talk about APA, that is phonetic International Phonetic Alphabet. The APA is the system for the representing phonetic sound with the symbols. In this opportunity, I choose 3 symbols. That symbol is your pronunciation is sh. The symbol pronunciation is and finally this symbol, the pronunciation is va, va, va. Yes? And now I'm going to some examples for these symbols. The first symbol is this, is palato-alveolar fricatives. Yes? Alveolar palatal fricatives are produced by the front of the tongue, forming a closure along the sides of the mouth and opening. A wide groove cleave along the middle. Yes, this word. This word is a voiced consonant sound to make this sound. Practice this sound is sh, shu. You can see some examples for this word. Pleasure, pleasure, pleasure. In this sentence, they get a lot of pleasure from their grandchildren. The other example is message, messages. In the sentence is send me a message when you arrive. The other symbol is this, is labiodental fricative. Labiodental fricative are caused by placing a lower lip against the upper D. So friction occurs when the pressure builds up. Va, va, va. The voices consonant sound to make this sound. Practice and learn this sound. Va, va. And also you can see some examples, 2 examples for this word. Voices, voice, voice. In the sentence, voice is very beautiful. My voice is very beautiful. And the other example is valiant. Valiant. My father is valiant. And finally, this word, this symbol, is velar. The sound is end. End. The velar stop occurs when the back, the tongue, the rises to front, form a complete cruiser against the veil. Sound are produced when the closure is relaxed abruptly, like an explosion or the breath of air. And now, is the voiced consonant sound to make the sound touch the back of the roof of your mouth with the back of your tongue. Yes? Tongue. Use your voice and make a deer through your nose. For example, monkey. In the sentence is the monkey eats bananas. The monkey eats bananas. And finally, this example: hungry. In the sentence, I am hungry. Yes? Thank you very much for watching this video. This is all.